I'm Sacramento District Attorney Ting Ho. Our delta and our rivers here in the Sacramento region is a true jewel and treasure of our community. And I'm standing here today with Sheriff Jim Cooper, with a representative from State Lands from California, and also Supervisor Pat Heath. Take a look at this site right here, which is the Skarry tugboat that we've worked diligently for the last 16 years to remove. And that's exactly what we are doing here today, to protect our environment, to protect our community, and to protect the natural treasure that we have here, which is the delta and our riverways.
The State Lands Commission is responsible for managing and protecting about 4 million acres of public land and waterways in California, including the lands underlying the Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta.
This project represents the critical success of a long and complex collaboration effort amongst local, state, and federal funding agencies. This type of marine debris is usually larger in size and always includes some level amount of hazardous waste.
These abandoned derelict vessels have been here many years and leak oil and gasoline into our waterways and affect our drinking water. It's so important to get these vessels out of here.
We really want to thank our partners who are with us today for protecting public safety and the environment and preserving these beautiful waterways in the Delta.
Please allow me to extend my appreciation to former Senator Jim Nielsen, the Bureau of Land Management, the State Lands Commission, the Sheriff's Department, and our partners at the District Attorney's Office.
These vessels have been here 20, 30 years, so it's important to be involved, to be engaged, and work with our partners, the state, the DA, and local entities to get these vessels removed and make our Delta safe.
For the last 16 years, we've been working diligently, and today, the fruits of our labor have finally been achieved, which is the removal of these vessels. A crane that you see here at the Skarry site, who we prosecuted a few years ago. So thank you to our partners, thank you to the state of California, thank you to the sheriff and his Marine Task Force, along with Supervisor Hume and our community prosecutors, for really cleaning our water. Thank you so much.